What's going on, guys? This is Queer from TZ Nation 87 on a LSD swap 1987 IROCZ on a Mustang that's going to be a Terminator Snake or a Snake Terminator. My name, my choice, my decision. I'm no barber. I fixed my hair a little bit. I think it was a video. I'm still a laughing stock. I'm no barber. I'm a car YouTuber. I'm not a barber. I can't see in the back of my head. With me saying that, guys, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button. It'll let you know whenever my videos comes out. It'll let you know whenever my videos comes out. That way you don't have to search for it. You don't have to look here or there. Even if you're not a subscriber and you're watching and just want to tune in from time to time, you can always hit that subscribe button. You can always click notifications sometimes. And you can always tune in time to time. All your support is greatly appreciated. But today, as you see, I have my work shirt on. Basically, what we're doing today, if you haven't seen the last video, if you didn't know the reason why I got this, instead of this, click up the link above, judging from the title and thumbnail. And this will be the title and thumbnail. The horn train agrees. So judging from the title and thumbnail, you already know. Today is about the installation video. It should be a simple installation video. It's one of the main reasons why this car is so jacked up in the air. This is what we're going to do today. Without me saying more and rambling on with things that you don't want to hear about, let's just get to it. But first, I gotta take this off. And once I take this off, I gotta put this up. And once I put it up, we gotta get to work. And by the way, guys, this is steel. This is aluminum. This is a lot heavier. Like when I'm picking up, I literally have to pick it up compared to the aluminum. The only part that's heavy of the aluminum is the yoke. This one is just heavy, all crazy, isn't it? What we gotta do today is, I gotta get something. I gotta get something so I can take this off. Like I said, I get something to get these off. Hard time coming off. Get that off here. Get this one off. Off here. Scratch that off. We're trying not to scratch you so much because you look so pretty. This person's contact information if you want to get one from him. Let him know you came from me. Come on, turn around. There we go. There. Can't crouch down for long. My calf starts to burn. I picked that up really easy. The only thing heavy about this is the yoke. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to carry this over. I'm going to flip this around. And I'm going to have things ready and I'm going to retrofit this in here. Turn on the lights so you guys can see. All right. All right. Doing fine, I'm doing fine.
Sometimes I got these ugly thoughts up in my mind. I got that angel and that devil on my side. Ask me how I'm doing, bitch, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine, yeah, I'm doing fine. I'ma make them all believe before I die, yeah. I'm the king of all this shit, I swear that I am. Say I'm such a fucking critic, I know I am. I know that. Yeah, I'm the motherfucking greatest. Yeah, I'm the greatest, bitch. See my competition, they don't fit that niche. You can try to take a shot at me, I will not flinch. I try to jack at my sound and then I put that script like I ain't doing no favors. See me walking around with all that moolah, baby. Girl talking to me, telling me that I was a savior. Yeah, I think I'm a taker. Pulling, swerving, yeah, my Reebok's 30. Had to take a step back, so I threw that birdie.
Why this torque arm was in the way? Because is it hitting just the torque arm or is it hitting something else? Can I turn it? Turn it this way. Match. Oh, perfect fitment. Oh, it is so perfect. We have one little problem. I gotta slide it on here. It fits perfect. Oh, it fits perfect. Oh, damn it, it hurts. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that on here. That's right there. Crap. It's perfect. It's a perfect fit. I thought it was gonna be a little bit shorter, but no, I gotta pretty much take this yoke out, don't I? Torque arm. Leave me alone. Tired. All right. What's going on? I have turned you again. Torque arm, isn't it? What are you hitting? You're hitting the torque arm. You're in. Are you in?
Sometimes I got these ugly thoughts up in my mind.
I am not taking that.
I got that angel and the devil by my side. Ask me how I'm
I
doing,
absolutely
bitch, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine.
No,
yeah.
I
I'm
think
doing fine. I will make them all believe before I die, yeah. I'm the king of all this shit, I swear that I am. Say I'm such a fucking critic, I know I am. I know that.
Yeah, I'm the motherfucking greatest. Yeah, I'm the greatest, bitch. See my competition, they just don't fit that niche. You could try to take a shot at me, I would not flinch. I try to jack at my sound and then I flip that script like I ain't doing no favors. See me walking
But as you see, guys, like I said, it's riding the transmission. If it wasn't for this torque arm, where is that there? Right there, that torque arm being in all types of ways, I can't. And what I'm saying right here is literally, when I have that on here, it goes in like a glove. I can't do it all the way because of the torque arm, but it goes in like a glove. The back end, it's just, it goes right in there. Oh, it's such a perfect fit. Oh man. But like I said, I can't do anything until I have a second pair of hands and I can somehow get rid of this ridiculous torque arm. Let me get from underneath here. That ridiculous torque arm. If it wasn't for that torque arm getting in the way, actually having a chance. Shut up! So basically what I'm saying is there has to be a way that I can figure out eventually how to move this back and forth because there's just, I could somehow push. When I was trying to tighten that down, I noticed that it was moving back and moving forward. It was moving back and it was moving forward. Thus allows me to know that this can move back and it can move forward. But it has to be with a certain amount of pressure and only it has to be a two-person job. So I gotta wait. I can get some help. So all they gotta do is just help me move the rear end back. Slide it in and put it back, and that's all I need them to do. Just move the rear end. That's it. And then it'll be installed. Let me see if I can contact a couple of people. I can't do nothing else yet at another sense. So we'll pick back up when I have some help. So probably will be enough in my also. If anybody wants a stock third gen, what I will do for you, here I'll put it in the house. I'm gonna put this inside of here actually for you guys. Hit the bottom. Boom. Can't do nothing else. Let's just, I'm gonna wrap this up and I'm going to pick back up when I have some help. So in the meantime, I'm gonna kick back and watch some Savage Garage. That's pretty cool, right? CAMARO will be doing that soon too. Guys, I'm gonna have to pick this up the next episode because it does not seem like it's going to. From underneath here, it's like I'm running into clearance issues. Pick this up tomorrow. All right, guys, pick it up tomorrow. I'm trying to this through so I can put the drive shaft in. Trying to winch it in here so I can try to winch the drive shaft in here. Besides what I showed you, it's just the next day. And for some reason it's like it's not working for some reason. Well, like I said, sorry about the interruptions. If you watched my other video a couple of weeks ago, you would understand why I could get this somehow over here. But then this little piece at the bottom, really not trying to make a part 2 of this. Come on. Well. I'm really trying. I don't have the money to take this drive shaft to get it shortened an inch. Actually, it doesn't need to, well, yeah, shorten an inch. It's too much. I really didn't know it was going to be that tight. As I measured from the tail end of this, like from right here, for where you see my finger at, all the way to this point at the end of the ocean, that it would be like this. Maybe I should have went up in 1 inch and went from the edge of this and not the edge of the transmission. So whereas I have to get this shortened an inch, and I don't know where any places around here can shorten this an inch without costing $300, $400, $500, and it's already expensive enough as is. There was just some way that I could try to have this, that this thing can move up a little bit, like it can bend back, because when I fell off many months ago, back and forth, as it was tight and secure. Now it just won't move, because maybe if I can pop them off and everything should be all right. This is for the fuel pump. I mean, I'd get that over here. Just move that over here. That's for the fuel pump. There, so I can, sure. That wire, these wires are only temporarily, just to let you know. Yep, I'm going to have to make a part 2. The sun is going down. Fine, let me get that other piece while I'm still looking for it. Oh, it's still there. Come on, I'm literally right there. There has to be something else here. But no matter how hard I tried, I still have to get a cut an inch. When you measure it from the edge of the transmission to the edge of the to the edge of the axle assembly here, always remember, subtract an inch. Whatever you measure, subtract 1 inch, and that will be your measurement. Install a drive shaft. Don't ever learn from my rookie mistake here. No, I think somebody says measure end to end. Measure end to end and subtract an inch. Let me go take a shower real quick. I'll come back. My hair is going to be messed up, and I got to take a shower. I have to take a shower. All right, guys. Bring it back. So, yeah. 2 things, actually, I did. Transmission is red, by the way. Drive shaft is in that when it comes time for being truly installed. See down there? It just doesn't want, and I have to get it shortened an inch. Said I had to get it shortened an inch. See if I can get it all in 1 day, but apparently it still can't get it done in 1 day. It really does suck. Sorry, I had to fix something in the car real quick. It really does suck. I wanted to get it done in 1 day, like I said before. I'm washing my hair. I put back on the filter hair, but I like to see. I had to wash. My hair was so much. They had so much shit in it. I had to rearrange and stuff in there. I'm trying to sell the drive shaft, but it looks like I won't be able to do it. Install the drive shaft. Looks like it's not 3 apart, so after I cut an edge. Didn't want to do that. Now I gotta go around. I gotta figure out some people. I gotta look to see how much somebody would charge just to cut my drive shaft an inch, and we'll do all the back. But yeah, when it comes time for installing the drive shaft, guys, make sure you measure. You measure it from the end of the transmission to the end of the where the cup is. You have the things where the drinks go in. When you measure from here to the end of the transmission, always go back an inch. Subtract 1 inch every time, and you'll be able to install it. If I subtracted 1 inch when I thought about that, that would have been installed, but that's not going to be installed. So if you like what you're seeing for the first time, please like, subscribe, comment down below. If you want to get a notification whenever my video comes up, please guys, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all down the links below. You can even say hi to me if you want. I'll talk to you and everything. But anyway, guys, that's it for right now. Follow all my social medias. So keep it TZ all the way to the end, guys. Take care and have a great day.